put it all in the bag. Get the money, get the money, get the bag. Get the money, get the money, get the bag.
I'm not gonna lie to you, I'll tell you the truth. The memories you left me ain't helping me get through. They scatter around my house and I don't know what to do. No, I cleaned up all your stuff.
Hey dolls, welcome back to the dollhouse. It's your girl Caitlin. What's good? What's up? If you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and subscribe. Hit that bell beside it too so you'll be notified whenever I upload. And I picked up some more, so I thought it would be cool to do another bathing suit try on haul for you. And all the music that you hear in this video is city supported, so basically all the music in my video will be from local artists around my city, and I will leave all their links and social media handles down below, so make sure you go check them out. Let's get into it. Not all bathing suits will be from Zaful or BOOHOO, but you guys get the point. The one I am wearing right now is a one piece, and I picked this up from Route 21. So yeah, here's the first one. Very sexy one piece too, actually. Like, I really love how it just complements everything. Here's the back. Got a little side boob action going on. And back to the front. So this is bathing suit number 1. And if I can find the prices, I will link them down below. This probably wasn't no more than $15. So this is number 1. Let's get on to number 2. This is swimsuit number 2, and this one is from BOOHOO. I really like this one. Period, poo. So here she is. Like, do you guys see these detailing? Like, look at how cute the little flowers is on the side. I'm going on a cruise and I'm kind of oiled up. Excuse me. I'm oiled up. But I'm going on a cruise in August. And when I seen this one, I was like, honey, I ain't coming to play any games. Do you hear me? So here is swimsuit number 2. What do you guys think? Like it? Are you feeling it? Because I'm feeling it. Little sexy 2-piece. I feel like yellow looks so good on my skin. So here you have it.
Tired of being nice to all you rusty ass hoes. Mad cause your man wanna rip off my clothes. Suck on my toes and he diss his ass from the back. And he know that it's a fact, but I don't do the back tracks. Now he mad cause his voice in the phone. You don't know that shit cause he don't want you to know. No, I don't want no weak nigga, you can keep him to yourself. I did that shit before when it was bad for my health. Bitter bitch that ain't me, cause this kitty too sweet. Ask your nigga, yeah, he's still tryna lick it up his teeth. And he gon' tell you that I want his ass back. Truth is, I told him that to get a bag. I got the money and I put it in the trap. You're doing it for free and I can see why you upset. All up in my face so I finesse to get a stack. Then I count that shit up and put it all in the bag, huh? Get the money, get the money, get the bag. Give me that. Get the money, get the money, get the bag.
Let's go on to swimsuit number 3. So here's swimsuit number 3. If you watched my last video, you did see this one. And I got this one from Walmart. The top was $20 and the bottom was $20. So $40 from Walmart. I think it might have been cheaper than that.
Get it back, get the money, get the bag. If it ain't about the money, why you bitches just getting mad? Get the money, get the money, get the bag. Get the money, get the money, get the bag. Get the money, get the money, get the bag. If it ain't about the money. Now I don't want no hoe, nigga. I don't need a fake friend. Ain't no need to get close if you ain't talking dividends. You a real bitch, gonna let me.
I like the little cutouts on the side. It gives the bathing suit, because it's such a plain bathing suit, but it gives it some life, you know. Like same in the middle. And then in the back, it's the lace up detailing. So everything looks cute or whatever. What do you guys think?
Add you to the team, don't be mad, sis. I can show you how to get the cream. Like that Gucci bag, Fendi, Prada, and Chanel. The last one was fake, now it's off.
If you guys enjoyed this haul, don't forget to check out the pieces. I will link them down below besides the ones that I got from Walmart. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You already know. Welcome to the doll gang. Come on into the dollhouse. And yeah, thanks for watching, you guys.
It's off for you to tell. Couple snakes around me that came through stepping.